Viewers, today top international brands are exhibiting in Big 5 2022 at World Trade Center Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So let's go and talk to one of the top brands of this expo.
I am Paola Tagliapietra from STV Lock. We have the family business in Italy. We have the factory 100% made in Italy. Lock, aluminium lock and wooden and sliding glasses and wooden.
I'm Virginia Tagliapietra, the future director of STV Locks. STV Serrature was founded in 1969, and since then Tagliapietra's family has been caring about offering top quality made in Italy products. We produce locks, cylinders, accessories for wooden, crystal or aluminium. We already have customers located in more than 80 countries from all over the world. And here at the Big 5 2022 we are looking for new ones, especially distributors. You can contact us through the mail commerciale@tagliapietra.it or simply through the number +39 335 572 0464. Thank you for your attention.